Welcome to Krishi Vignan Kendra Kottayam under Kerala Agriculture University. We are located in the tourist hotspot of Kumaragam. We will have a look inside the administrative building which was inaugurated during 2017. Actually, the Krishi Vignan Kendra Kottayam started in the year 2014, but 2004, but we shifted to the newly administrative building during 2017. Now we will have a look at our information and sales counter. Due to lack of infrastructural facilities, our sales counter is working in one of the room of the administrative building. Here we used to supply quality planting materials, seeds, bio inputs, Kerala Agriculture University publications for the needy farmers. We will have a look inside. This is the room of the program coordinator. This is the sales counter. We have processed, in addition we have processed products, bio inputs. Bio inputs produced from our units, KU Sampurna, Ayer, Pseudomonas, Trichoderma, then Agriculture University publications, value added products from pineapple, jack, nutmeg, bio inputs from other campuses of Kerala Agriculture University. This is a fish pot constructed inside the building. Here we have pearl spot, fish fingerlings, and pearl spot fishes are also here. We used to sell the pearl spot fish fingerlings to farmers at the rate of ₹8 per fingerling. Now we will have a look inside the office. This is our office. This is the computer lab. This is a room for SMS. 2 SMS accommodated in one room. Soil scientist and home scientist are sitting here. Coming to the home science lab. Actually, this lab was, we have set this lab getting funds from ICAR and the value addition program. In this lab, we have electric dryer, then we have a freezer here, then water purifier, weighing balancer, sealing machines and all. We used to have products from, value added products from nutmeg, jack, and all. This is for the display purpose. We have another big value addition unit outside. Now we will move on to our seminar hall. We have the seminar hall. So we are connecting training programs, seminars, workshops, this seminar hall. Now we will move on to the soil lab. We will have a look at the soil lab here. Normally we used to have analysis here. Soil analysis, manure analysis, land analysis, the equipments in explaining.
We are using the normal equipments here, spectrophotometer, flame photometer, then pH meter and EC meter, and we are analyzing pH, EC, OC, P, K and calcium and boron here, but the micronutrient analysis facility is not available here. We are sending the samples for going to Ernakulam for Vaikula Research Station for analysis of micronutrients regularly.
Now we will move on to the agriculture. There are 2 SMSs are accommodated here. This is a SMS agronomy and SMS aquaculture. This is the room of our technical officer. Then 2 scientists are sitting here, horticulturist and plant pathologist. Now we will move to the horticulture nursery outside. We will have a look at the horticulture nursery here. The horticulture nursery, we are selling quality planting materials. This is a modern nutri garden. This year we got a program on modern nutri garden. We have set from this program. Now we will have a look at the nursery inside. We are supplying jackfruit, mango grass, papaya and moringa seedlings as well. At the request from the Government of Kerala, Department of Agriculture. So we are supplying, this year we supplied about 5,000 coconut seedlings, then 5,000 mango grass, jackbud, moringa, papaya. All these seedlings we are preparing here in our nursery, and we are selling this to farmers as well as to the Department of Agriculture. Full season vegetables in pro trays, vegetable seedlings also in pro trays we are selling. In addition to this, we have foliage plants also. Lot of inquiry we are receiving for foliage plant. So we are multiplying foliage plants also here in this. We got this construction of this rain shelter. This is actually a rain shelter. First, we got this from the Department of Agriculture. We have constructed 2 rain shelters. We are housing our plants inside this rain shelter. Now we will see the budding and grafting program ongoing here. These are women trained under the ASCII program, Agricultural Skill Council of India program. Now they are employed in our horticulture nursery. They are getting an annual income of around 8,000 to 9,000, sorry, monthly income of 8,000 to 9,000. We have a small collection of medicinal plants also here. Now we will move to our compost unit. Now Government of Kerala is promoting organic agriculture. There is lot of demand for bio inputs as well as organic manure. So here in our vermicompost unit, then there is fish amino acid also we are producing. This is KU Smart Bio Bin. So 2 vermicompost units. This we got in convergence with the local self-government. They have constructed this vermicompost unit. Then we will move on to the other side. High demand for cocoa also. We are selling cocoa seedlings. Small area of seed production. Amaranth we are doing in grow bags. This jack, they have already budded these plants. Budding completed. Now it's getting ready for coming to the seed production of the brinjal. We have brinjal variety harika. We are looking seed production in grow bags. This is Bindi Akka Anamika variety for seed production. This side we have bitter gourd seed production. We have ginger here, variety Varada. This is our Iyer and Sampurna production unit. We will have a look inside. Iyer and Sampurna, these are the micronutrients produced by this is the technology of Kerala Agriculture University. Please explain.
Here, this is the Iyer and Sampurna production unit. Here we are producing iyer for banana. That's a secondary and micronutrient mix for banana cultivation, and it's a wonderful technology popularizing among the farming community. Then Sampurna for rice, vegetables and banana also is producing here. And we are these two technologies are from Kerala Agricultural University.
There is very good acceptance from farmers. This Iyer and Sampurna is popular. We have popularized this technology among farmers, and there is wide acceptance among farmers for this Sampurna and Iyer. This is as part of plant project. We have received 40 lakhs. There is a custom hiring service we have. Tractor and other equipments like tiller, transplanter, sprayers. Then we are giving FOCT training program. We are doing in collaboration with Cotton Development Board. We are supplying the palm climber also here. Our next unit is mushroom production unit. This palm production unit is getting ready. So we will have a look inside the mushroom production.
So this is the mushroom production unit. Currently we have a capacity for 60 birds and we have just started the production already in June 20. So far we have harvested around 16 kilos of mushrooms.
Two cow unit. One is Holstein Friesian HF and other is Jersey. So both are milking. Now we have a goat unit. Malabari Jamna pair is stored. Goat unit. Apiculture to the farmers, and already in Kottayam more than 14 entrepreneurs are there engaged in apiary. Now we will move on to our aquaculture division. Major fish in Kerala, the most acceptable one is Kumaragam is Karimeen, that is pearl sport. So we have a very big area for pearl sport seed production. This is one of our ponds. This is a natural ecosystem where we have bunds and channels. In the bunds we used to have coconut palms, then banana, vegetables, garcinia, mango. All these fruit trees are there in the bunds, and in the channels, in the natural system, we used to have fish farming. We will have a look now. Pearl sport unit. Mat nursery prepared for our integrated farming system. 1 acre we have an integrated farming unit with rice, fish and duck. So for that 70 cents of paddy area, we have this mat nursery. And one aquaponics unit also here. This is the open system where in the natural system we used to have the pearl sport farming. Fish fingerlings also we are selling. Natural beauty of Kumarana, but coming to our constraints, this is also a major constraint for us. Coconut nursery. We have coconut nursery over here. This is the pond which, based on the demand, high demand of quality pearl sport fingerlings, we have a very big pond over here. We will just have a look. Look at this. We are having pearl sport fingerlings from this pond. We are selling it to farmers. Altogether, we can have a long view of the farm, which is about 5 acres. 5 acres of land for KVK, including the bund and channel system. So one of our limitation is we don't have that much land for seed production and all, since this is a waterlogged area below sea level area. So this bund and channel system is a limitation for our quality seed production. Come. And that regard to duck, we used to have Kuttanad duck, that is Chara Chembali variety, and we have the broiler duck Vigova. So this time we are having the Kuttanad duck Chara Chembali. We can have a look at the integrated farming system unit. Scenic beauty of Kumaragam adds to its tourism value. So, from last year, we are promoting agro-ecotourism. Even lot of homestays are there, farmers are there, they are also engaged. So, we are promoting agro-ecotourism. Funded by Kerala State. We got 50 lakhs for this plant project. You can have a look inside. These are the machineries. Machineries were 10 lakhs. We have purchased from this project. Now trained women, they are engaged in making lime pickle. We can have a look at the nutmeg. This is the nutmeg green, which is of high demand. It's having medicinal value too. So this nutmeg, we are making lot of products. We have standardized. First time in Kerala, this KVK has standardized lot of products from the nutmeg. This is the newly constructed lab. We have all these seasonal fruits. We are stored here. Now we can have a look outside the campus. We have an integrated farming system here. Two of our Krishi Vignan Kendra. We have some planting material production outside also. Due to lack of space, we are doing like this only. We are very near to bird sanctuary, and our neighbor is Hotel Taj Vivanta.
ठंडी करिए अरे फ्रेंड
Integration, we can have a look inside. So this is the Kottayam Chartala road. So in the roadside itself we have like 1 acre of paddy field. In that 1 acre paddy field we have the rice fish duck integration.
എന്നെ പോകാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട് ഒരു
Mat nursery inside the campus. Now we will have a mechanized planting here. The ducks, local ducks, Kuttanadan ducks are inside the cage. So the duck droppings will go down. It acts as feed for fish. So it's a recycling process. So in this system of integrated farming, we can have a cost reduction with this rice, fish and duck. In the buns, we have coconut. Then even vegetables fodder also we can plant here. So now this is getting ready for planting. Now we will move to our biofungicide lab.
Start our products. horizontal autoclave where we use to do our sterilization. And inoculations and incubations of bioagents, both trichoderma and pseudomonas. All the mass multiplications of bioagents in pseudomonas and trichoderma, azospirillum and phosphobacteria has been carried out here.
We are selling all these bioagents mainly to the farmers within the district, outside the district, as well as to the Department of Agriculture. And for the Karshika Karma Center and Agro Service Center under the Department of Agriculture, we are giving this 10% subsidized rate. So we have a good range of customers for our bio inputs because of the quality. So this is all about the units of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Thank you.
हाँ,